Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chocolate fountain. First, select a good quality chocolate, ideally one designed for fountains, or a couverture chocolate with a high cocoa butter content. This ensures a smooth, consistent flow. Next, prepare your fountain by cleaning it thoroughly and placing it on a stable, level surface. Plug it in and allow it to preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding any chocolate. Now let's melt the chocolate. You can use a double boiler over low heat, stirring constantly until it's fully melted and smooth. Alternatively, microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it reaches the desired consistency. The key is to melt it slowly and gently to avoid scorching. It should be completely lump-free and pourable, like a thick syrup. Once your chocolate is perfectly melted and smooth, carefully pour it into the base of your preheated chocolate fountain. Make sure the chocolate level is within the recommended fill lines, usually marked as minimum and maximum. This prevents overflow and ensures proper operation. Then, switch on the motor and watch as the delicious chocolate begins to cascade down the tiers, ready for dipping. With your chocolate fountain flowing beautifully, it's time to enjoy. Arrange an assortment of dipping treats like fresh strawberries, banana slices, marshmallows, and pretzels around the fountain. Encourage guests to dip their items quickly and avoid dropping crumbs into the chocolate. This keeps the flow smooth and clean for everyone. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious chocolate experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.